Hello, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to talk briefly about the USDA mortgage. We're going to talk a little bit about some of the benefits of the program and also some of the qualifying and eligibility requirements. Homebuyers that have questions can visit us at USDAmortgagesource.com or call us 7 days a week at 800-743-7556. First, we're going to touch on the benefits of the USDA Rural Housing Loan. First and foremost, the program is it's 100% financing with no down payment. This is great for first-time home buyers that may have limited savings that's required for many of the conventional loan programs. But this program is backed by the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, and through rural housing, they offer this government-backed mortgage, and it provides a number of homeownership opportunities, again, with no down payment needed. The 502 Guarantee USDA program, this is the program that is set aside for moderate income borrowers, and this is only offered through USDA approved lenders and banks. The qualifying income for the program can be up to 115% of the area's median household income. There are two things, and we're going to touch on this more as we move through these slides, but basically the income requirements for the program and also the property location requirements. Those are the two things with USDA Rural Housing. The household can only make so much income, and this depends on the family size and other variables. And also the property, the house that to be purchased has to be located in a USDA approved location, approved area. And there is a map online. You can visit our website and find the quick links to the map to actually input a property address, check a property address to see if it is rural eligible. And many times people are surprised. Don't assume just properties that have to be way out in the country are the only ones that are approved, because there are a lot of locations that are still eligible for USDA rural housing that you may not necessarily think. This program is a secured 30-year fixed rate, again, government-backed loan program, and it is one of the few home loans that's left that allows buyers to purchase, again, with no money down. Let's talk a little bit about the USDA eligibility for the property eligibility. Again, property eligibility, the physical location of the home, and also the household income. Those are the two main things. So any single family residence, that as long as it's located in a USDA eligible area, regardless of who the seller of the property is, that's okay. A lot of times the property can be sold by any real estate company, private seller. It can be distress sale, short sale, foreclosure. None of those things matter. Again, it's just where the property is located, and the address has to be in an eligible zone. Besides that, the home must be in overall good repair, decent repair, not any major projects or homes that need extensive rehab. The USDA does follow some of the same guidelines as other government programs like FHA loans and VA home loans when it comes to the condition of the property. It doesn't need to be perfect. Every home has problems, and that's to be expected. But again, the property can't be a major project. And again, as far as the location, don't assume your property is not located in a USDA eligible area. Many suburbs that may not seem rural in nature could still be eligible. These maps that USDA updates, their maps for the eligibility, and sometimes it's 10 years or longer before they're updating these maps. This program is only for primary residence homes, no investment properties, rental homes or second homes, vacation homes, only primary residence. Building on your own lot, This is not permitted by most of the lenders that offer the 502 guarantee program, but this does not apply to maybe a new construction spec home that you're purchasing from a builder, where the builder finances and initially builds the home and sells the home to you. That's going to be looked at as just any normal transaction. And again, as long as that new property address is located in a USDA approved eligible area, that's fine. Mobile homes aren't permitted unless they're new, and in this case, the financing is typically arranged through the approved dealer that sells the mobile home to you. What borrowers are eligible? Well, any qualified home buyer is eligible, and the good news is this isn't limited to just first-time home buyers. Again, if you meet the qualifying requirements regarding the credit, debt-to-income ratios, job history, and the things that lenders look at, which is really the same as most conventional loans, FHA loans, and VA loans. It's not a lot, really there's no big difference there. But for credit, generally lenders want to see at least a 620 credit score for the borrowers that are on the application. The borrowers should have documented and stable income, W-2s, and or tax returns for home buyers that are self-employed. And again, the household income must be under the set county limit for eligibility. And these limits, they depend on the size of the household. A household of 1 to 4, generally the limits go up to close to $92,000 for the household gross income limit. And again, when you're talking about a household that has over 4 members, maybe 5, 6, 7 members, those income limits go above $120,000 for most locations, and even higher in more expensive locations that are deemed high cost. There is a calculator again where you can plug in your numbers online, and it will tell you again what the USDA income limit is for the household for the 502 guarantee program. Again, there's 2 different programs. The 502 guarantee program, though, that is the one that allows for the higher income, higher household income for eligibility. That covers all the basics. Homeowners that have questions are encouraged to visit the website at usdamortgagesource.com. And again, call us. We're happy to talk to you 7 days a week at 800-743-7556. Thank you for listening.